Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, Luxury Package 3, dual sun moonroof, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.